Hello, praisers and savers. My name is Sandy, and man, do I have some awesome deals for you this week at Publix. I couldn't believe the amount of deals that just kept coming across my page. Now, remember, all my deals are pretty practical. I don't do just because it's free, I do it because I know it can be used by your family and my family as well. So, remember that as you are shopping. Now, in the description box, there is a printable breakdown, so no need to write any of these deals down. You can either print it off or you can just pull it up on your phone in the store. If you're new to my channel, make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. It helps me a ton when you guys engage in my videos. Let's get started on the first deal, and the first one is going to be on this Irish Spring soap. Now, this soap here it's $5.99. Usually it's buy one and get one free, so it'll be $3. On top of that, there is a $2 coupon on the Publix app. That's an all digital coupon. So you're going to be getting this Irish Spring soap that was originally $6 down to just $1 after the BOGO and the $2 coupon. Already starting off out the door, good deals up ahead. Next up is the soft soap body wash. Similar deal as the Irish Spring, but this one's even better. So this soft soap body wash is $5.74. It is on BOGO, so it'll make it $2.87. There is a $2 coupon on the Publix app, so easy peasy. You don't have to do anything, just clip that coupon. It's going to make each bottle of this soft soap body wash just 87 cents. This is a great deal. And if this is not something that you would normally use, that is fine because food banks also take soap. They take different toiletries, they take dish soap, laundry detergent, just a good item to donate. Next, I'm excited about that because I love Lipton green tea. Um, I love to drink tea, but these bottles of Lipton are just good to have on hand if I'm out of tea. So the good thing about this deal, if you look at the package, if you there's something inside the Lipton where it says $5 off your next Uber Eats order. I have no idea what that is. I'll figure it out when I open it. So there should be some kind of promotion inside this Lipton package. So let me know if you know what it is in the comments. But these are going to be $7.67. They're on BOGO, so they'll be $3.84. There is a $1 coupon on the Publix app. That $1 coupon is going to make the Lipton green tea or Lipton tea $2.84. So that's a really good deal on that. Now, guys, I'm going to be showing you a bunch of different condiment deals because tis the season. This is it. Tis the season for the cookout. And anytime it is tis the season, we're going to have good deals on salad dressings, on sauces, on marinades. So this is the time to stock up this time of year. In our house, we use a lot of Italian dressing to do marinades or for salads. My daughter loves to have a tomato cucumber like salad just doused in some wishbone Italian dressing. So I'm picking some of this up. It is usually $3.83 for this, but it'll be $1.92 after the buy one, get one free. Now, the next deal is on this all detergent. This all detergent is $15.99, and you know, Goodwill, I'm not spending that much. So, with the buy one, get one free, it's going to be $8 per thing of detergent. But it gets even better than that. So what you're going to do is, like I said, it is $16. Buy one, get one free, so it'll be $8. Now, this is the large bottle of detergent. On the IBOTTA app, there are two different IBOTTA offers. If you get the sensitive all, which has the light blue top, that's $3.50 back from IBOTTA. That's going to make the big bottles of detergent $4.50, which is awesome because it originally was $16. Or you can get the regular all free and clear. It'll give you $3 back. And so it'll make the big bottle of detergent $5. So either one of those, whatever works for you. But that's a pretty good deal because these are pretty pricey. Now, I'm always telling everybody do not sleep on Purex. I'm telling you right now, I am a true believer that Purex is some good stuff. Now, I always pick this up anytime Publix has this deal, and this is on the Purex. It's usually $5.19. It's on BOGO, so it'll be $2.60 for these. Now, the great thing about this deal is if you go to the Ibotta app, there is a dollar back on Ibotta for these, making them $1.60. So you're going from $5.19 all the way down to $1.60 with the BOGO and the Ibotta rebate. And there's a limit of two on this. So you can only pick up two of these. Next, another Purex deal. Like I said, don't sleep on that Purex. But the smallest thing of Purex, I believe, is $7.99. So it's gonna be $8. So one of these smaller bottles are $4. And then on the Ibotta app, there is a $1.25 back. So with that buy one, get one free, and that I bought a rebate of $1.25, it's going to make that Purex $2.75. There's a limit of one on these, so you can't pick up five or whatever, but pick up one of these and it'll be $2.75, which to me is a decent deal because things are just costing so much right now. Then we have again the Purex, but this is the Purex in the little packs, the detergent in the packs. And I'm just gonna put four and one on the printable breakdown for you guys to see. But the one that you can pick up is $7.99, $8, which is gonna make it a buy one get one free at $4. And then we have another I bought a rebate for $1.25 back. So $2.75 for these as well. So you can pick up a ball of detergent, and a bottle of Purex crystals, the smelly crystals, for less than $5 for both of those. That's a really good deal because it's hard to buy this. Even if we go to Walmart and get the cheaper things, it's still not as cheap as this with the Ibotta rebate. So make sure you pick it up. Now, I wanted to show you some of the strawberries and blackberries because right now they are on a decent price. Now, what I've been usually seeing with the strawberries is that they're $5 and they're buy one, get one free. So it makes them $2.50. But right now, they're $4 and they're buy one, get one free. So they'll be just $2 for those strawberries, which is a good deal. And then you've got the same thing with the blackberries. You can do the buy one, get one free on these, making them $2.50. So picking up those nice berries. Oh, yep, blackberries are my favorite. I love blackberries. I love strawberries. Blueberries, not so much. But those two right there, I can eat them all day long. Like I said before, 'tis the season to get all your condiments and things because they're cheaper this time of year. So you guys know that we like Heinz tomato ketchup in our house, and then whenever this is on sale, I'm picking it up because my kids go through like a bottle a week. It's ridiculous sometimes. So $5.99 on the Heinz ketchup. Never ever eat Hunt's ketchup. It'll make it $3. And then of course you got to get the French's mustard. Gotta get the French's mustard. I can't do anything else. Can't do that other Heinz mustard or any of that. So these are $2.49. It's gonna make it with the buy one get one free, $1.25. So make sure you're picking up and stocking up for this time of year on your different condiments. Now I don't have any deals on the Rana pasta, but summertime is coming, and like I said before, things just cost so much and we need to be saving our money as much as possible on groceries because my philosophy is if we can save money on groceries and gas and all the other things, clothes, then we can actually have fun. Like, I can't really save money to go to the movies. I really can't save money to go on vacation, really, but I can save money in other places. And if I can save money on groceries like this, and have a quick lunch, spending $2.65 on the pasta and $2.65 on the sauce, then that's a lot cheaper than going out and spending a whole bunch of money we don't have. So, nice little snack here on the Jack Link's beef jerky. The beef jerky is $7 and sorry, $7. Yeah. It'll be $3.50 after the buy one get one free. Now, if you've never had the Nerds gummy clusters, you're missing out. I love these things. I got them for my kids and never ate them. And then one time I had some at like a little party, like a cookout, and they're so yummy. So $1.10 on the Nerds gummy clusters. Check those out. My favorite water to get is the Lemon Perfect water. The Lemon Perfect water is $2.29, but it'll be on BOGO, so it'll be $1.15 per bottle of Lemon Perfect water. I like getting the Publix bakery cookies. I always feel like these get eaten in my house before if I buy like Nabisco, these always get eaten. So these 2 dozen cookies are $4.99 or $2.50 with the BOGO. So I always pick those up for my kiddos. Now we got a decent deal here on the Rice Krispie treats. So they are usually $3.63 on these. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pick up well they're buy one get one free, so there'll be $1.82. We're gonna pick up two of them. Your total for both of them will be 363 or 364. There's a $1 coupon on the Publix app. That $1 coupon is gonna make them 264. And then we're gonna submit our receipt to Swagbucks for $1 back. So picking up two, that'll be 364. You have a $1 coupon on the Publix app and a $1 swag bucks, making these $1.64 or about 82 cents a box on those. That's a good deal on the Rice Krispie treats. The Special K, these are the 100 calorie ones. I like these. They're yummy and they're quick. Little sweetness to them. They are 309. So at 309, these are going to be $1.55 or so. So good deal on those. I like them. Next, we're going to be picking up some of this Lowry's marinade, good for grilling. This will make it $1.82. I might make some chicken wings soon with some of this. Next is the Sweet Baby Ray's. It's one of my favorite ones to get for the honey mustard sauce. So good deal on the Sweet Baby Ray's. $2.67 on these. They're buy one get one free. So it'll be about $1.34 on those. So not a bad deal on those. And that's something we need. You guys know I'm a Duke's mayonnaise kind of girl, and no Hellman's in this house. So $4.49 for the Dukes. It's going to be $2.25 with the buy one get one free. That's a good deal. Remember, we're picking up a lot of condiments right now. There's a IBOTTA rebate for 25 cents back. With that 25 cents back, it's going to make the Duke's mayonnaise $2. Now, the great thing about this deal is this could be done up to 5 times, and there is a bonus on this Duke's mayonnaise, so you could be getting a bonus. My suggestion to you is if you are going to be getting this and stocking up on this Duke's mayonnaise, then make sure you're checking the expiration dates on those so you can stock up and keep it in your pantry for the upcoming months. Now, next is going to the Ronzoni pasta. This is a good deal on the Ronzoni pasta because it is $1.91 on these. And so you're going to be getting a box of pasta for 95 cents each. No coupons on these, just a decent deal on the Ronzoni pasta. And remember, if this is something that you don't need, pick one up, put it in your box, and take to the food bank. The old El Paso products, the tacos, are on BOGO, so there's a different variety. I'm just going to put $2 in the printable breakdown and say that it's buy one get one free, so it'll be $1. But there's different ones you could get, but they are on sale, and this is something we eat, so I always pick them up. We need Ziploc bags. Something fierce in this house right now. We are running low. So the Ziploc bags are $4.79. They're on buy one get one free. So each box is $2.40 for the Ziploc bags. Now my kids love bagel bites, especially the cheese ones, and I'm always looking for it whenever it is on sale. The smallest box of these bagel bites are 306 or about $1.53 each on those. So good deal on the bagel bites. I'm gonna be honest, I don't like these Rayo's TV dinner meals. They're just to me they're just dry. They're not good like I would like for them to be. My kids like them though for some reason, and they're expensive. So they're $12.99 on those. So buy one get one free. They'll be $6.50. I'll buy them for them when they're on sale, but I am not spending $13 on some Mama Rayo's. It's not worth it to me at all. No. All right, we got to pick up our weekend bacon, our bacon that we're going to have for the weekend instead of going out to eat. Bacon is usually about $9, so it's buy one get one free, so it'll be $4.50. Don't spend all your money at the Waffle House or the McDonald's getting breakfast. Just make a pack of something at home. All right, we need kitty litter in our house and the Cat's Pride cat litter. I've never tried this. Have you? Let me know in the comments. So these are $8.99 or $4.50 on BOGO. So $4.50 on BOGO is a decent deal. If you go to checkout 51, on checkout 51, there is a $2 rebate back. This $2 rebate back and the BOGO is going to make each container of this Cat's Pride cat litter $2.50. Now, you could do this deal up to 5 times on the cat litter. If I think they have the antibacterial listed, so you need to get that one instead of the regular. The regular one, now we have a deal, and I need some mouthwash so bad because we have not been able to get any mouthwash in such a long time. And this is going to seem a little weird because we're spending a little bit more money on mouthwash than we normally would. But here is the deal on the mouthwash. So you're going to pick up 3 of these Listerines. They're a little pricey. They're $9.49 each. That's high. So picking up 3 of these Listerines, these are the 1 liter Listerines at $9.49. Your total is going to be $28.47. That's crazy. I would never spend $28.47 on some mouthwash that I can get for less than $2 or $3. So 28.47. Then what's going to happen is because we spent over $25, then this $10 coupon is going to come off. This is a big $10 coupon. It's going to come off because we spent 25. You may not have this coupon anymore, but I sure do. Then I have a coupon also on the Publix app for a $1 off. So with that $1 off and that $10 off, that's $11 in coupons. So now it's going to bring our total down to $17.47. But that's not all that's going to happen. In addition to that, because we bought 3 of them, we're going to use this $2 coupon that you can find in the Public savings flyer at the front of the store. These are located in the green booklet at the front of the store. You're going to use 3 of these coupons. That's going to be $6 in coupons that you are going to be able to use on that. So that's a good deal so far on the Listerine. Then, in addition to that, there is a $2 sale going on, and that's going to come off at the register. So, that $2 sale times 3 is $6 in a sale that's going to come off at the register. So, let's recap. All right, we're going to buy 3 bottles of Listerine. They're $9.49. Your total is $28.47. There is a $10 coupon. That's a threshold coupon that's going to come off because you spent $25. Then there's a $1 coupon. Then there are you're going to use these coupons in the public savings flyer at the front. $2 coupon. You're going to use 3 of those. That's $6. And then there's a $2 sale on each one. That $6 is going to come off the register. So all in all, that being said, your total for all 3 of these is $5.47 or about $1.83 each. Wow, that is a crazy deal. But I would rather spend $1.83 on some mouthwash than $9.49. Let me know if you score on this one. All right, guys, we're made to the end, but this is on the Starry Soda. It is free with this coupon. Now, word of advice on these are 20 ounces. These are the ones you can find at the front of the store. In the printable breakdown, I'm just going to put $1.50 and then I'm going to put $1.50 for the price. I'm not sure the price. I didn't buy this. But you find these at the front of the store in the little coolers at the register. So, should be a freebie on the Starry Soda. Guys, if you're not clipping those Publix coupons as soon as you get them, they will go away. Publix is known for that. If they're just unclipped, then they'll, take them off your account. So sometimes if you don't see coupons on your account that you would see on mine, it's because you didn't clip them. Make sure you always clip your coupons every Sunday. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. That was 32 deals. That's right, 32 deals that we just scored at Publix just by using our phone, saving money for our family. We're not going into debt. We're not spending a whole bunch of money we don't have. We're enjoying ourselves and living our best life. I appreciate you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.